Can you imagine that you can earn $40 per minute just by typing names? Well, I'll show you how you can do that today. This is now one of the simplest ways to make money online. This is how to earn $240 just by typing names on your phone or your computer. This is how it works. You type one word, you get paid. You type another word, and your payment increases. And the best part is that it doesn't require you to have any experience, a degree, no capital to start. Also, you can type as much as you want and make as much as you want. There is no limit to this. This opportunity is 100% free, if you might be asking, and it is available for everyone globally. Therefore, this will be a good way of earning more money on this side. Before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips and tricks. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you have any questions or opinions about the video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below so that whenever I see them, I can immediately answer. Now, let's start with the method. Step number 1 for you right now will be to go to this website called Typing Test. Now, in order to be able to set this up, in order to work for you, it's an obligation to have a PayPal account. So step number 2 for you is to make sure that you have a PayPal account because you will need it to receive your payments from this website. If you don't have a PayPal account, you need to go to their website and I will show you how to create a free account. You don't need to struggle on the internet to find their website that you need because I have left all of the links that you need in this video down below in the description. So feel free to click on the links down below. So here on the PayPal website, you will need to click on button. It will then take you to the next page where you need to choose if you want to create a personal account or a business account. You will probably want to create a personal account. So go ahead and click on that. It will then send you to this page where you need to fill out all the required information. Then you will be able to log into your brand new PayPal account, which you can use to withdraw all your earnings. Now we can turn back to this website. This website called Typing Test will help you to see how good you are in typing. You need to take a 60 seconds typing test here. You will just need to write what you see on the screen, and when you finish, you will know exactly how fast you type. As you can see, here it says check your typing skills in 60 seconds. Type a word to join over 150 plus million test takers. Under it, you will be able to see 2 boxes right here. You can choose how much time you want your test to take. You are able to choose from 1 minute to 3, 5, or 10 minutes. Under it, you have a second box where you can choose how hard or easy you want your test to be. You have options like easy test, medium test, hard test, and many others. You will need to take the standard test from this website. So you will need to choose 1 minute length test and medium test. After you're done with that, you just need to click on the button where it says start test now. It will then bring you to this page. In that space, you need to write those words as fast as possible and as accurately as possible. You can see the timer on the top left corner of this box. The timer will start after you start typing. So, before you start, try to focus on this and try your hardest to make as good result as possible. Also, don't try to type too fast. Make sure to not make too many mistakes because it will ruin your points and your grades. I will just speed up this and I will not take a test myself because it will probably take long and you will wait too long. So we will return to the next part of the video. Once you finish your test, you will be able to see your result just like this. Now, before I show you how you can use this website and start making money online, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, I will give you some bonus tips on how you can increase your earnings. So make sure to keep watching the video until the end to not miss any of those tips. Now, let's make some money. Your typing speed will influence your earnings a lot. If you're not happy with the result, you can take the test again. Now, after you've done the test, you need to go to this website, and this website will pay you just to write the words that you will hear from the videos they give you. So, how to start earning money with Rev? First step is to apply online. Here you will be asked to sign up and create an account, and then apply online. The second step is to choose your work. And then the third step is to get paid through PayPal. Rev pays out every Monday through PayPal. You choose how much you want to make each week. So you will earn money by typing names also. As you can see on the dashboard, you can choose from those three options: transcription, English captions, and foreign subtitles. So transcription will pay you $1.50 per minute. English captions will also pay you $1.50 per minute. And the most paying but the most difficult option for you will be to pick this option. This will pay you from $3 to $7 per minute. This one is not for everyone, but if you're from, for example, Uganda and you know Luganda, you can get paid to translate from English to Luganda and from Luganda to English. Also, if you're from India and you know Hindi, you can get paid to translate from Hindi to English and from English to Hindi. Now, when you scroll down, you will see that this website is trusted by over 170,000 plus customers across all industries. And some of these customers are these companies that you can see here. So this website is 100% legit. Now, you will only need to scroll all the way down until the bottom of this website. You will see the section about Rev. Under that, you will need to click on this button that says freelancers. So here you can see that Rev accepts transcription and caption freelancers from the countries listed below. So if you're from India, for example, it will take you to this page where you can sign up and create a free account and start earning money. Here you need to fill out this form, which requires a first and last name, email address, and then select your country. And lastly, click here where it says next. After that, you will start receiving jobs and start earning money just by typing words and names. And feel free to go on and learn more about how the website works. And you can contact them as well. After you click submit and your application gets accepted, you will immediately start receiving typing tasks and you begin working on them and earn money from home. So that's it, guys. Go ahead and start making money online. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.